This is a BTV production.
Welcome back, Bears. I'm here, one of your senior anchors. Today is Friday, August 22nd, and we reached the end of our second week. Let's wish Lady Bears volleyball team lots of luck at Granbury tournament today and tomorrow. And teachers and staff, if you can support the team with a program cotton t-shirt, small to XL are $15. XXL plus t-shirts are $17. Coach Melissa Daly will collect money whenever the shirts arrive. If interested, complete the Google form she sent out. Bears, you kind of caught up with your friends, so let's not stop and block the crowded hallways. Let's get to class on time. Seniors, remember to apply for the Jack C. Jordan Scholarship. Scan this QR code for full details. You need to be a member of Brandon PTSA to apply, and use your personal email. For more info, you can email jcjscholarship@nasdpta.org. Also, stay informed with daily updates from your Career Center advisor, Catherine Gonzalez. Join a Remind group for your class with a code, or stop by to see her before and after school, or during the lunch periods in room A142. Our football team will have a scrimmage at East Central tonight at 7 p.m. Finally, the open house and advanced academic parent night is next Wednesday, August 27, 2025, from 6:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Your parents will meet your teachers, get information on advanced academics, and join the PTSA. This is all we have for today. Be sure to follow us on X at BTV Bears and also look out for us on Instagram. If you miss any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching up BTV Bears. Have a great day. Let's keep a positive mindset, stay engaged in our learning, and continue to evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.